That's what we are. That's what we are discussing. Don't worry, you will get the homework in next class. Okay.
Good evening.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Good evening, Lohini. So first we'll start with Ashwath.
1 minute, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, can we tell the homework in the last, sir?
Sir, are you there?
I was there in the class. Don't worry. But you, Siddharth, sorry, I asked Ashwath to open to say the homework, right?
Yes, sir.
Hmm. Yeah. Sorry, this is not our topic, right? Measurement and distance.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Especially we discussed about the rectilinear motion, circular motion.
Yes, sir.
Next.
Sir, I told my part already, sir, about the homework yesterday only, right, sir? About perpendicular and all.
Okay, but the remaining people
Yes,
didn't
sir.
say, right? And
Yes, sir.
example
Sir,
for the
remaining, you said you'll give it to other people like Jaydeep and Ashok.
yeah, periodic motion as well as rotational motion. So with this, we've already finished this chapter. So it's a
Yes,
small
sir.
topic only. Next, we are going to sort the sorting of materials into groups. But before that, we'll discuss the homework and we'll wind up the chapter this one. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So fast. Who is ready with the homework now? Siddharth, are you ready?
Sir, I can't find it. I think my mother deleted it, sir. I saved it in this file, sir.
Okay, okay. Next, Drona.
Sir, because she's a teacher also here, sir. That's why.
Okay, okay, no problem. But Ashwath is preparing the homework sheet now itself, I am thinking.
Yes. Sir,
Yes,
you said
Ashwath?
the homework. Sir, you said the homework is to write 5 examples of every single motion, right, sir?
Yeah, 4 different types of motion in the
Sir,
classwork notes.
rectilinear, circular.
But nobody did in the write down in the classwork notes, right?
Sir, I'll write it.
So don't save it as a file in the computer itself. Just write down everything in the classwork notes. That is a
Okay,
good
sir.
habit, okay?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. What about the Drona? Drona, turn on the cam and went to side.
No, sir, I'm here only, sir.
Okay, we are not playing any games, right? Hide and seek and all?
No, sir.
No.
Sir,
Okay.
I think he's doing like Ashwath did last time with the green screen that time, sir.
No, sir, I'm adjusting the camera, sir.
Okay, okay, no problem. So Jaydeep, we'll revise once again, okay? Don't worry.
Okay,
So
sir.
what is a rectilinear motion means what? Whenever the object is moving along the straight line, only in the straight line, if the object is moving, not that type of motion is called as an rectilinear motion. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So examples are these, Jay. Can you see the examples on the right side?
Yes, sir.
Examples of rectilinear motion: a boy walking on the straight road, a car moving in a straight road, lifting something up and down. Sorry.
Sir, elevator also.
Elevator is that only, right? Lift.
Yes, sir.
Parade of an army. If you see the army parades, they will move only in the straight line.
Yes, sir.
And some object falling from the height, like fruit
Yes, sir.
falling from a tree. All these are the motions which are in the straight line only, right? So
Yes,
all
sir.
this will comes under the
Sir?
rectilinear motion.
Sir, like falling off a leaf to the ground is also included like gravitational some. force,
It is a
right, sir?
gravitational, but leaf will go in the different directions and fall on the ground, right?
Yes, sir.
It will not come and fall straightly, exact.
Yes, sir.
Next one is a circular motion. What is the meaning of circular motion?
Sir,
the
which
object-
only moves in a circle, sir.
If the object moves only in the circular path, that is called as circular motion.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Then examples:
Sir, Ferris wheel,
The
fan.
giant wheel.
giant wheel, very good. Next,
Sir,
fan.
rotation of the earth around the sun.
Rotation of the earth around the sun, very good. Next,
Sir, rotation of the hands in a clock.
Sir, also
Very good.
fan.
fan, rotation, good. Next, any other examples?
Sir, can I tell my homework?
Yeah, 1 minute, please, Ashwath. So these are the examples for the circular motion. The next one is a rotational motion. Rotational motion means what? The
Sir,
whole body will move
around its own axis, sir.
along its own axis. The motion of a body which moves along its own axis is called as a rotational motion. Suppose if you
Sir.
take Earth,
Earth, sir.
Earth will revolve around itself, right?
Yes, sir. By its
Yes, sir.
axis.
So that type of motion is called as rotational motion.
Yes.
Or you can take spinning top. It is also a rotational motion example. It is not exactly in circular motion, okay, but it will move along its axis. If you take spin top, if you release the spin top, it will move from one place to other place, right?
Yes, sir.
At the same
Yes.
time also, it will rotate along itself.
Yes, sir.
So the type of motion is called as rotational motion. Example, spin top or rotation of the earth. Okay. The next one is
Okay,
a periodic motion. What is the meaning of periodic motion?
Sir, which is like at a fixed moment of time, sir.
Yes, sir. The time interval will be between two positions will be same, sir.
Like the bells in a school classroom, sir.
The object will come to the original place or original point after the regular interval of time. That type of motion is called as in periodic motion.
Okay,
The
sir.
object comes to the original place where it started after the regular interval of time. That type of motion is called as in periodic motion. So example,
Sir.
pendulum.
Sir, what is the difference between the rotational and the periodic motion, sir?
In the rotational case, there is not exact time period, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, suppose if we take the clock, movement of the hands in the clock, it is a periodic motion, right? If you take
Yes, sir.
our hands, it will start with the 12. Again, it will come back to 12 after the 24 hours only.
Yes, sir.
It will not come before, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So that is the difference, periodic motion as well as the rotational motion.
Sir, at a fixed time, right, sir?
So after the regular period of time only, it will come back to the original place where it started. That is a periodic
Okay.
motion. And the non-periodic motion means what? It will not
Sir,
come in the
which
regular
does-
interval of
Sir,
time.
which will not come in time.
Yes, sir.
Which will not come in the regular
Sir,
interval
can
of
I
time.
tell?
Yes, sir.
That is a non-periodic motion. Okay. So
Okay,
Yes,
and
sir.
there is a possibility of combination of 2 or more motions also. Like if you take a revolution of the earth and the rotation of the earth,
Sir, it's periodic and sir, rotatory, right?
it is a circular motion, or you can say rotatory motion, and the
Sir, periodic also, right, sir?
periodic motion as well as the rotatory motion.
Rotatory motion.
Periodic motion is what? Revolution of the earth around the sun. There is a fixed interval of time, right? 365
Yes, sir.
days.
365.
And rotatory motion is what? Rotation of the
Around
earth
its
around itself.
around its own axis.
Sir, even the circular motion.
Circular
Sir, circular
is not
motion
correct
is
because the shape of this orbit is eclipse in shape, right?
sir.
Eclipse shape. It's not exactly circle, right?
Yes, sir.
The movement of the planets is completely eclipse.
Sir, it's a geoid, right,
Yes.
sir?
Sir, but it moves in a circular like structure path, right, sir?
Yeah, circular structure path only will be there, but if you observe closely, it is an eclipse structure.
Sir, it's a geoid, like, sir.
Yeah, it is similarly like that.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So these are
Okay,
the 4 different types of motion is there in this chapter. Then first, what is a motion? What is a rest? Rest means what? If the object is not changing from time to time, from one place to other place, that is called as a rest. The object is rest.
Okay.
If the object is changing the place from time to time, then the object is said to be in the motion.
Motion.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
So any more doubts?
No, sir.
No, sir.
So these are simple topics are there in this.
Sir, doubt, sir.
Yeah, Ashwath.
Sir, are there any more examples, sir?
Which one?
Of types of motion, Ashwath.
Which one, Ashwath?
Sir, of combination of two or more types of motion, sir.
Combination of two or more motions. Any more examples? Just think it out, everyone. We'll find out that one.
Sir, a clock.
Clock.
Sir,
Sir, periodic and rotatory, sir, because of its hands. Sir, circular, I think.
Sir, the moon rotating around the earth.
Very good. The moon rotating around the earth.
Sir, a clock also, right, sir?
Clock.
Yes, sir. Sir, it's periodic and circular, right, sir? Of its hands.
sir, it is periodic, circular, and also combination of two or more types of motions.
Okay, okay.
Sir, because sir, because the hands of the clock will the hands of a clock will move, and also the bells. Sir, there is one string or some other things for some types of bells. Sorry, clocks, right, sir? They go sideways, right, sir, in periodic motion.
Yeah. And one more common example we'll take. Movement of the bicycle. The wheels of the bicycle will do the circular motion,
Yes, sir.
but
And the rectilinear
Yes,
motion.
sir,
rectilinear
because it
motions
goes
will come,
straight.
right?
Yes, sir.
The wheels
Sir,
of the bicycle performs a rotatory motion. It's not circular motion. It is a rotatory
Sir,
motion.
car, vehicle also, right, sir?
Yeah, vehicles also. All the wheels of the vehicles or the cars will move in the rotatory motion, right? They
Yes,
will
sir.
move along the axis.
Yes, sir.
That center axis will be there in the bicycle or the car. At the same time, they will move the rectilinear motion also in the straight line. The bicycle will move in the rectilinear motion or the car will move in the rectilinear motion. So it is also a combination of two or more motions.
Yes, sir. Sir, we can say axis like middle or center also, right, sir?
Sir, one doubt not related to topic, sir, but sir, but the recordings are not coming in WhatsApp, sir.
Okay. And today onwards, we'll get the recordings in the YouTube directly. Don't worry.
Sir, because I
Yeah,
wanted this PDF, sir.
Okay, I'll upload today this notes and all completely this video also in the YouTube. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sir,
Right.
we can call axis as center or middle also, right, sir?
Yeah, axis at the center also, you can say. Yeah,
Okay,
Ashok, are you ready with your homework?
Yes, sir. Sir, periodic rectilinear motion is elevators, sir. They go up and down, sir.
Okay, very good.
Sir, and free falling of objects, sir.
Okay, good.
Sir, and kids sliding down from a slide.
Okay.
Sir,
The motion of planes in the sky.
Okay, next.
Sir, parade of army.
Okay.
Moonwalk step in dance.
Next.
Sir, and a car moving in a straight road.
Very good.
sir,
Sir, in periodic motion.
sir, 1 second, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, a kid going down a slide, sir. Some slides can go like very circly and everything, sir.
Sorry.
Some slides are different. Sir, some slides are different than the others, sir. Some are straight, some are like curved also, right, sir?
Which one?
Of a slide, sir. A kid going down a slide.
Okay, but in some cases it will be rectilinear motion only, right?
Yes, sir.
It's not all the cases. Some cases you can take that one.
Okay, sir.
Sir, even an aeroplane, right, sir, it will just make the
Yes, sir.
curves.
Aeroplane,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Aeroplane?
Sir, aeroplane will
Aeroplanes.
take the curves and everything when it's in motion, right, sir?
Yes,
When
sir.
you have the takeoff and the run,
Runway, sir, runway, it's full straight, sir. It is question.
takeoff and the landing is done in the rectilinear motion, right? Straight runway only will be there, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, and for circular motion, planets revolving around the sun. And giant wheels, sir.
Okay.
Sir, satellites orbiting around the planets.
Okay, good.
Steering button.
Next.
Merry-go-round.
Okay. So next,
Sir,
Drona.
periodic motion.
Yeah, we'll give chance to others. Okay.
Pendulum.
Ashwath,
rock.
please wait. Next, Drona.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, are you ready with your homework?
Sir, it's actually in my other phone, sir.
Okay, what about Lohini?
Sir, can once again explain this rotational motion? I didn't understand it.
See, the motion in which whole body moves along the axis. Suppose if you take the bicycle wheel, right? So the bicycle wheel moves along the axis only, right? The movement of the bicycle wheel will take place along the axis or not?
Yes, sir. It goes around the axis.
1 minute, please. I will try to show some video on that. Don't worry.
Ben wants to move this table from point A to point B. What will he do? Yes, he will push it in the direction of point B. You see that as he say Ben
Can you hear the sound now?
Yes, sir, we can hear it, sir.
wants to move this table from point A to point B. What will he do? Yes, he will push it in the direction of point B. You see that as he pushes the table, it starts moving. Anything around us that moves, we say that it's in motion. So this table is in motion. And since Ben is also moving along with the table, he is also in motion. In our day-to-day life, we see various things moving around us. Simple examples that I can give are vehicles moving on the road, people walking across streets, birds flying in the sky, and so on. Do you know that the Earth and the other planets also undergo motion? Yes, they are revolving around the sun. You can give me thousands of such examples of motion. But what if I ask you to tell me the definition of motion? How can we define something as intuitive as motion of a body? Well, for that, we need to look at what exactly happens to a body when it's in motion. Let's say this vehicle moves from point A to point B. You see that as it's moving towards B, its position in space changes with time. Initially, it was here, then here, and now after some time, it's here. Notice what's changing. The position of the object and the time too, which is changing anyway. The change in position of a body with time is what we call motion in simple words. Whenever there's a change in position of a body, we
Understand, right? What is the difference between rest and motion?
Yes, sir.
That is what we discussed in the class orally.
say it's either undergoing motion or has undergone motion. Let's discuss about the different types of motion now. The simplest type of motion is called the rectilinear motion. Notice that there is a word line in there. So we define this type of motion as a motion in a straight line. Yes, rectilinear motion is nothing but motion in a straight line. So if an object is moving along this straight line path, we say that it's performing rectilinear motion. For example, when a car is moving in a straight line on a straight road, it's performing rectilinear motion. There is one more thing that I want to discuss with you in this video. Assume you're on a railway platform watching the train pass by. You are at rest. For you, both the train as well as the passengers sitting inside are in motion. But will the people sitting inside the train say the same about the other passengers in the train? For a person sitting inside, the people in the train are not moving. They are at rest. So for the observer at rest on the platform, the people inside the train are moving, but for the person sitting inside, they are at rest. What does this tell us? This
Ashwat?
Sir, yes, sir. What if rest is also there in motion, sir? Like this example, sir. Train is going and people inside are at rest, and people outside will see that they are in motion, and people inside will think that they are in rest, sir.
It is not a separate type of motion, but we will feel like that only, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
But you are checking
So
which laptop it is and which color it is and all.
Sir, from the first there is one laptop reads it.
Sir, he'll check every detail, sir.
This
He'll
means
also
that the
know
motion of
name
any
the
object
train.
is relative to the observer. For different observers, the motion may be different. We will learn more about this in higher grades. In this video, we understood the definition of motion. We also discussed one of the types of motion called rectilinear motion. In the next video, in the previous video, we studied what motion is. We also saw one type of motion called a rectilinear motion. It's nothing but straight line motion. In this type of motion, the path of a moving object is a straight line. But what if the path of a moving object is circular? Yes, you guessed it correctly. If an object is moving in circles, it's undergoing circular motion.
Circular motion.
More accurately, it's defined as the motion of an object along the circumference of a circle. The circumference of a circle.
What is the meaning of circumference of a circle?
Sir,
The boundary of the circle.
the boundary.
Yes, sir. Outline.
The outline of the circle is called the circumference of the circle, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good.
Is the length of this boundary which is curved. So if an object is moving along the circumference of a circle, we say it's undergoing circular motion. Can you give me any real life examples in which
Suppose if you want to move from one point to other point in a circle, whether the
Rotation of
Sir, we
the
have to go
No,
along
no.
its circle.
revolution of the earth, sir, and yes, sir.
Fan.
So my question is, listen carefully. If you want to move from one point to other point in a circle, whether the diameter is the smallest distance or chord is the smallest distance or the circumference is the smallest.
Sorry, sir, can you repeat again?
Sir, can you repeat again?
If you want to move from one point to other point in a circle, then circumference is the shortest distance or diameter is the shortest distance.
Sir, diameter.
Sir, diameter.
Yes, sir.
Diameter is the shortest distance, right?
Yes,
And
sir.
other than the diameter, if you draw any line between the 2 points in the circle, what is it called?
Sir, chord.
Chord. Generally, we'll say chord is the shortest distance in the circle, right?
Yes,
Diameter
like,
means
yes.
the chord is the shortest distance in the circle. The diameter means which has to compulsorily
Medium.
pass through the center only.
Sir, can you show what is a chord, sir? I didn't understand.
You didn't understand.
So what is God?
Okay, okay. I'll wait 1 minute.
Sir, can I tell what is a chord, sir?
I'll draw 1 minute, please.
Okay, sir.
Sir, how are you drawing, sir? It's a video, right, sir?
Yeah, there will be drawing options.
So this one is there, right? Diameter means what? Moving at the center of the circle.
Sir, center. It should pass through the center, sir.
But other than the center, the remaining all are called as a chord. This is the chord.
Yes,
Okay,
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, sir. I understand.
Understand? These are the chords.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Different. This is the center, right? So center means always you have to pass this diameter.
Yes, sir.
Sir, and diameter is the longest chord.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
diameter is the longest chord. Very good. Understand, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
objects
can continue.
execute this type of motion? What about the satellites orbiting the Earth? Yes, a satellite orbiting at a certain height is also undergoing
And you know this one, you have the different satellite orbits are there. Sometimes they will say CLV, GSLV, like this, right?
Yes, sir. The different names, right?
Geostationary satellites.
Sir, this satellite is not a satellite, sir.
Then what it is?
Sir, one side of the solar panel is one lake and one other solar panel is not a solar panel.
Okay, okay. That person didn't frame it properly, I think so.
Yes, sir.
So that's what I'm telling you,
Circular
sir.
motion.
Ashwath like looks at every detail, sir.
Very good, very good.
What other examples of circular motion can you think of? Take a small object and tie it to one end of a rope. Take the other end of the rope in your hand and whirl it around in circles. You see that the object is performing circular motion. Notice that the distance of the stone from your hand is always the same. What about the moving fan? Is it also undergoing circular motion? First, let's only consider the motion of a point on one of its blades. If we switch on the fan, we will see the point moving in circles. So we can say that the blades of the fan are also undergoing circular motion. Now, what if I take the fan as a one single object? Can I say that the fan as a whole is moving in circles? No, that would be incorrect. The fan as a whole
So
is
what
not
is
going
one single
anywhere.
object?
The entire fan
Sir, actually,
Sorry?
Sir, what is one single object, sir? Fan is only the one single object, sir.
One single object means if the single stone or the single thing.
sir, one
Sir,
thing.
So we can say
Yeah.
Sir, actually, the fan is not swinging, sir. It's not going round. They just made it go like this and like this for people to understand it going round, sir. That's one.
Okay. Then what is
Excuse me, sir.
that the
Yeah.
blade
Sir, I am having some type of technical issue, sir. Can I rejoin, sir?
Yeah, sure.
blades of the fan are also undergoing circular motion. Now, what if I take the fan as a one single object? Can I say that the fan as a whole is moving in
I think so. Fan is moving in correct direction only.
Yes, sir. Fan is moving correct direction.
Sir, it was like this. It was going like this and then like this, then again like this, then again like this.
Okay, just
Sir,
turn on
Ashwath
it.
listens to every detail.
Okay, okay. Just check your fan, Ashwath, in your home.
Sir, it will spin normal, sir.
Spin normally. If you keep it full speed,
Normal, sir. We won't see any blade, sir, but we'll just see a circle.
no. Whenever
Sir,
the
I
fan
can
is
turn
moving,
my phone, sir.
no, whenever you see the fan now at the full speed, the rotation of the fan is different direction than what it is illumination to us. What we can see.
Sir, another thing, sir, the top part, it was wiggling, sir.
Okay. But if you see the fan, it will rotate in the different direction actually for what we are seeing. What is the illumination it will get is a different.
circles? No, that would be incorrect. The fan as a whole is not going anywhere. The entire fan is not moving along the circumference of a circle. But which motion is it performing then? The fan is undergoing rotational motion. Before actually defining this type of motion, let's try to understand it first. This
Lohini, understand? Listen it carefully.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I understood it.
If the object is moving along the circumference of the circle, that is a circular motion. But if the object is moving along only one axis, like if you take the motion of the fan, the complete fan is moving along the axis of the fan rod, right? Which you can see in the
Yes, sir.
square box.
Yes, sir.
That type of motion is the rotational motion.
Okay, sir.
rod
Understood.
here is called the axle, and the entire fan is spinning around this axle. Or you can also say that the entire fan is spinning around this fixed line. This type of motion, define it in simple words. A body is said to be performing rotational motion if it's spinning around some fixed line. And the fixed line is also called axis of rotation. What other examples of rotational motion can you think of? What about a rotating wheel?
Wheel.
We use the word rotating because it's performing rotational motion.
What happened, Ashwath? Motion is wrong.
What is axis of rotation in this case? Yes, it lies on the axle of the wheel. So the wheel is also on.
Yeah, Ashwath. Turn on your cam.
Sir, I'll tell after the video.
Yeah. Is that any doubts?
Sir, yes, sir. For the fan, sir. Sir, it has the middle part as axle, right, sir?
Yeah.
Sir, the axle is so thin, sir. How is it supposed to hold those 3 blades, sir?
Because inside the axle, we have the center part of the fan is there, right? It will have the
Yes, sir.
bearing
Sir,
part.
can you just backward 30 seconds or so, sir? Because I didn't understand one thing.
It's okay.
Yes, sir.
What about a rotating wheel? We use the word rotating because it's performing rotational motion. What is axis of rotation in this case? Yes, it lies on the axle of the wheel. So the wheel is also undergoing rotational motion about this fixed line. Other
Okay.
Okay, sir.
examples of this type of motion can be the earth spinning around its axis and a spinning top. But wait a moment. Let's go back to our example we discussed earlier. When this object was whirled around in circles, we said that it was performing circular motion. But here, if we take this line as our axis of rotation, then we can also say that the object is performing rotational motion around this fixed line. So what is the motion of this object? Circular or rotational? What exactly is the difference between the rotational and the circular motion? In all the examples of rotational motion that we saw, the axis of rotation is a part of the object. It is going through the object. But in this case, the axis of rotation is not passing through the object. It's totally separate from the object. Hence, we don't call this motion as rotational motion. This is circular motion and not rotational.
I think you have cleared with this.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
We can also say that the object is performing rotational motion around this fixed line. So what is the motion of this object? Circular or rotational? What exactly is the
Circular.
difference between the rotational and the circular motion? In all the examples of rotational motion that we saw, the axis of rotation is a part of the object. It is going through the object. But in this case, the axis of rotation is not passing through the object. It's totally separate from the object. Hence, we don't call this motion as rotational motion. This is circular motion and not rotational. So this is the difference between circular and rotational motion. If a body moves along the circumference of a circle, we say that it's performing circular motion. And if the body is spinning around the fixed line called the axis of rotation, and if that axis of rotation passes through the body, we say that it's undergoing rotational motion. In the next video, we will see one more type of motion. See you there.
Sir, periodic motion, that is right, sir?
Yeah. So any doubts in this too?
No,
sir. Sir, can I tell some examples of the periodic motion, sir?
Yeah.
Sir, a person's birthday and swinging a pendulum and revolution of Earth, revolution of the moon around the Earth, and turning of fork.
Very good.
Sir,
Sir, can I tell? Sir, can I tell periodic
Sir,
motion?
I
also?
didn't tell, sir. You told to
Sir, after Ashwath, can I say?
Yeah.
sir,
Periodic.
periodic motion examples: swinging pendulum, rocking chair, revolution of Earth, hands of a clock, tuning fork, sir, and combination is rotation and revolution, sir, and the clocks which have threads, sir, which move like this, sir, like this.
Okay. That pendulum, like similar like pendulum.
Sir, can
Yes.
I tell?
Yeah.
Sir, a swinging pendulum, rocking chair, revolution of Earth, rotation of Earth around its axis, Sir, hands of a clock, tuning for, and that's it.
Okay.
Sir, can
Next.
I tell rotatory?
Rotatory.
Sir, can I tell?
1 minute, please.
Okay, sir. Sir, because you said that time, tell sir, rotatory, but Drona and Bhavan,
Presentation
we
will
didn't.
be some details, sir.
Ashwath, your
So-
camera is hanged.
Okay, but you understand right periodic motion? Any doubts in
Yes,
the
sir.
periodic motion?
No, sir. Sir, can I tell rotatory motion example?
Yeah.
Sir, rotation of Earth, wheels of a moving cycle. Sir, fan blades, helicopter rotor blades, spinning top, Ferris wheel or giant wheel. Sir, clock ticking, sir.
Okay, very good.
Sir,
Next.
sorry, sir. I couldn't turn on my webcam. My internet is unstable.
Okay, no problem. So any doubts, Lohini, again in the motions?
No, sir.
No, sir, understood.
Then remaining people.
Sir,
Understood, sir.
understood. Sir, I think we did this lesson in only like 2 classes, sir.
Yeah, simple.
3
Only 4
classes.
motions are there, right? 3 classes.
Yes, sir. That's it.
Sir, it's done, right, sir? Can I show the presentation, sir?
Yeah. So wait a minute, please. Yeah, I will have given the option to share a screen. Okay.
Ashwath, what are you going to share us?
Okay, 1 minute. I'll show entire screen share. 1 minute, sir.
Jaydeep, can you tell what you're going to show? We can see. Ashwath, we can see. Artificial satellite. Ashwath, you only read.
1 minute. Yeah. Artificial satellites of India. In this presentation, I only choose 4 artificial satellites of India. One is IRNSS-1D. It is from ISRO. Aryabhatta from ISRO. GSAT-31 from ISRO and GSAT-3 from ISRO.
All are ISRO.
Okay. 1 minute, Ashwath. Which one is the first satellite launched in India?
Sir, I think it's Aryabhatta.
Aryabhatta.
In the year?
Sir,
it's like 19.
Sir, you can get to know in this presentation, sir.
Okay.
First one, IRNSS-1D. IRNSS-1D is a satellite in the Indian Regional Navigational Satellite System, IRNSS constellation. The satellite is the 4th of 7 in the constellation, launched after IRNSS-1A, IRNSS-1B, and IRNSS-1C. The only satellite in the constellation related to provide navigational services to the region. The satellite will be placed in geosynchronous orbit. It was launched successfully on 28th March 2015. On board ISRO's PSLV C-27 from Satish Dhawan Space Center in Sriharikota. The total cost of the mission was estimated approximately rupees 14 billion.
Now, where is this ISRO first?
Sir, it is in Andhra Pradesh.
It is in
Andhra Pradesh.
Andhra Pradesh. Very good.
Mission type, navigation. Operator, ISRO. COSPER ID 2015-018A. SATCAT number 40547. Website
Sir, I don't know what is all of this, sir.
Mission duration 12 years. IRNSS 1D spacecraft properties. Spacecraft is IRNSS 1D. Bus is I1K. Manufacturer ISRO Satellite Center, Space Application Center. Launch mass is 1,425 kilograms, which is 3,142 IB. Dry mass is 598 kilograms or 1,318 IB. Power is 1,660 watts. The start of mission. Launch date is 11:49 a.m. 11:49 a.m. March 28, 2015 UTC. Rocket PSLV XLC-27. Launch site Satish Dhawan SLP. Contractor ISRO. Orbital parameters. Reference system geocentric. Regime geosynchronous. Longitude 111.75 degrees east. Perigee altitude is 35,750 kilometers. Apogee altitude 884.1 kilometers. Inclination is 30.43 degrees. Period 1,436.1 minutes. Report 5th May 2015 8:43 p.m. These are pictures of IRNSS 1D. And the next one is Aryabhatta. Aryabhatta was Aryabhatta was India's first satellite named after the famous Indian astronomer. It was launched on 19th April 1975 from Kapustin Yar, a Russian rocket launch and development site in Astrakhan Oblast using a Cosmos 3M launch vehicle. It was built by the ISRO. Lit by the Indian Space Research Organization, ISRO, to conduct experiments in X-ray or astronomy, aeronautics, and social physics. The spacecraft was a 26-sided polygon, 1.4 meters in diameter. All faces, except the top and bottom, were covered in solar cells. Mission type astrophysics. Operator ISRO. COSPAR ID 1975 to 033A. SATCAT number 07752. Duration planned 6 months. Active till 5 years 11 months. Spacecraft properties. Launch mass 360 kilograms, which is 790 IB. Power is 46 watts. Aryabhatta, start of mission. Launch date 19th April 1975, 7:30 UTC. Rocket Cosmos 3M. Launch site Kapustin Yar 107/2. Aryabhatta, end of mission. Last contact March 1981. Decay date 10th February 1992. Orbital parameters. Reference system geocentric. Regime. Perigee altitude 563 kilometers. Apogee altitude 619 kilometers. Inclination 50.7 degrees. Period 96.46 minutes. Epoch 19th May 1975. Next one, IRNSS GSAT 31. The satellite's main communication payload is Ku-band and acts as a replacement of the aging INSAT 4CR. The satellite provides advanced telecommunication to the Indian subcontinent. It is used for VSAT networks, television uplinks, digital signage, new gathering, DTH services, and other communication systems. This is the 40th communication satellite launched by ISRO and the 22nd launch of ISRO satellite by Arianespace. The satellite was launched through the 103rd flight of Ariane's 5 VCA on 5th February 2019 at 9:01 p.m. The vehicle also deployed HeLaSat 4 Saudi GeoSat 1. In July 2019, GSAT 31 maneuvered to lower its altitude and drifted eastward to reach new slot at 82.95 degrees east on 31st August 2019. GSAT 31. Mission type communication. Operator ISRO. COSPAR ID 2019-007B. SATCAT number 44035. Mission duration planned 15 years. Elapsed 2 years. 3 months, 17 days. Bus I-2K. Manufacturer ISRO Satellite Center, Space Application Center. Launch mass 2536 kg 5591 IB. Power solar arrays batteries. Launch date 6th February 2019. Rocket Ariane's 5 VCA. Launch site Kourou ELA 3. Contractor Arianespace. Orbital parameters. Reference system geocentric. Regime geostationary. Slot 82.95 degrees east, 48 degrees east. February to September 2019. So here we go with the last artificial satellite, GSAT 3. GSAT 3, also known as EduSat, was a communication satellite which was launched on 20th September 2004 by the Indian Space Research Organization. EduSat is the first Indian satellite but exclusively built to serve the educational sector. It is mainly intended to meet the demand for an interactive satellite-based distant education system for the country. EduSat carries 5 Ku band transporters providing spot beams, 1 Ku band transponder providing a national beam, and 6 extended C-band transponders for providing national coverage beams. Mission type communication satellite. Operator ISRO. COSPAR ID 2004-036A. SATCAT number 28417. GSAT 3 spacecraft properties. Bus I-2K Manufacturer ISRO Satellite Center, Space Applications Center. Launch mass 1950 kilograms, which is 4300 IB. Power 2040 watts. 1 minute, sir. GSAT 3, start of mission. Launch date 20 September 2004, 10:31 AM. Rocket GSLV MK IFO-1. Launch site Satish Dhawan FLP. Contractor ISRO. Entered service 24th September 2004. End of mission. Disposal moved to graveyard orbit. Deactivated 30th September 2010. Orbital parameters. Reference system geocentric. Regime geostationary. Longitude 74 degrees east. Perigee altitude 36,606 kilometers. 66 kilometers. Apogee altitude 84 kilometers. Inclination 2.71 degrees. Period 24.17 hours. Epoch 14th December 2013. 2:55 PM 38 seconds. The end. I hope you liked my presentation.
Wow.
It's good, Ashwath. Thank you for your presentation on the artificial
Sir, his whole
satellites.
presentation took the whole class 20 minutes.
Yeah.
So Jaydeep wouldn't be able to present now.
Okay, no problem, Jaydeep. We'll give the chance in next class, okay? So try to make the presentation for 10 minutes. Its last 10 minutes is better.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, very good, Ashwath. So if any
Sorry,
doubts,
sir, I took 15 minutes.
yeah, no problem. So if any doubts is there,
No, sir.
No, sir.
thank you everyone. Have a nice day.